So what have I been up to, you may wonder? I showed you a previous video where I built two garden beds from pallets, raised beds. That's one. And there's the other one. And so yesterday I decided I wanted two more raised beds. So here is the other one that I built yesterday. And this one is 3 feet by 9.5. That's all the space I had on this side. And then over here where I have my hydroponic system, I changed things out, different arrangement for my hydroponic system, so it is going to be here. And then here I built myself another worm bin. This is 10 feet by 27 inches. And I still have some hydroponic system there. Some of them has been harvested already. I just have 2 tomatoes remaining. Then I'm going to take the gravel out of that one, those ones, and take the worms that remain out of them. I have to get that done within the next 2 weeks, because as soon as the temperature get cold, then the worms are gonna stop producing, and if it goes down to 0, then they will start dying. Some of my garden have been harvested already. I still have cucumbers to harvest, tomatoes and corns, and I have carrots over there in the raised bed to be harvested. And as for my tear worm bins, I have already taken out the worms and put them in that big bin in the garage. I'll show you that in a few minutes. And I have my other composting bin brewing over there. So this is bin number 1. The one that get the finished compost is empty because I brought the compost inside the garage so that I can use it to feed the worms over the winter. And then here is the compost bin that I am now putting things into. So let's show you the worm bin that I have inside. I have a few of them, but one large one. And please don't mind the mess in my garage. As it comes on to winter, everything gets packed up in here. So here, this bin has my night crawlers in there. This is the one that I'm doing the experiment with the pound of worm, how much they can produce in a week. Down here I have a special bin that I just want to see how it produces, because this last set of worms here seem to be producing more than all the others. So I'm just watching to see what's the difference, because I'm treating them both the same. And here is where all the worms that I harvested from outside are located, in this bin. Now this bin is 4 feet by 7. And on top of it I have a box here, and this is what I have my finished compost in, so I'll be feeding the worms from this. And in here are my worms. I disturbed them this morning when I was wetting them down, so I don't really want to disturb them much, so I'm not going to turn on the light on them anymore. Once per week is enough for me to disturb them. So this is where I have my worms. Okay, so that is what I've been up to. And there I have another bucket in the gravel with compost in there to see if I can get the worms out of that bin as well. Okay, thank you for watching. See you later.